Boob job recovery. After going through a boob job surgery, you have to strictly follow your surgeon's instructions so you can get up and about as quickly as possible. Here are some basic guidelines for a smooth and speedy recovery. Immediately after the surgery, after the procedure, the anesthesia will start to wear off, and the medical staff will monitor your condition to make sure you are fit to go home. If you've been given general anesthesia, it is more likely that you'll be asked to spend the night at the facility. But in most cases, patients are able to return home the same day. Shortly after the surgery, you may be asked to do some light exercise to keep the blood circulating in your body. However, strenuous exercise is discouraged for about a month. Have someone to drive you home because you won't be able to drive after having anesthesia for your boob job. Ideally, you should have someone available to spend the night with you, as well as to assist you and take care of small tasks for at least 3 days. 24 hours after the surgery. The surgeon will apply a bandage or compression garment after the surgery. These will help support your breasts during recovery and keep the implants in place as the surrounding breast tissues heal. There may be some bruising, soreness, and tenderness within the first 24 hours. You'll feel tired, so it is important that you get plenty of rest. Your surgeon will prescribe certain medications, so make sure you take them on time. 2 days to 2 weeks after surgery. A week after the surgery, you'll return to your surgeon to have the bandages removed. Then you will be asked to come back for a checkup the following week to make sure that you're healing properly. The surgeon may suggest that you refrain from taking a bath at least a week after the surgery to prevent infection. You will also be instructed to avoid exposing the incisions to direct sunlight as you're recovering from the procedure. You'll probably be able to return to work within a week after the surgery. Recovery tips. Keep your surgeon's phone number on hand. Set the timer so you won't forget taking your medications on time. Organize a post-surgical kit before surgery. It should include bandages, ice packs, clean towels, comfortable clothing, healthy and nutritious foods, magazines, movies, and prescription medications. Ask your surgeon how long you should wait before driving a vehicle. Avoid extreme temperatures following surgery. Traveling after boob job surgery. Travel is stressful on the body, and so is surgery. Expect your surgeon to recommend you delay any travel plans for at least 10 days after the procedure. Air travel is troublesome after surgery because it can increase the risk of blood clot formation. Discuss with your surgeon about safe travel the first 2 weeks following your boob job. Swelling and scarring. It can take 2 months or more for the swelling to subside after surgery. Your body will not be completely healed for at least 1 to 2 months. Additional therapies after surgery. Some surgeons may recommend additional therapies to speed up your recovery. In some cases, these therapies can also help minimize scarring and reduce the swelling and pain associated with the procedure. Emergencies. All surgical procedures have inherent risks associated with them, and boob jobs are no exception. If you suspect that you have an infection, contact your surgeon right away. Unusual bleeding or extreme pain should also be reported immediately. Now click Next to visit the before and after photo gallery.